We'll be needing some white PVA glue. I'm using Elmer's, some shaving foam, some foaming hand soap, some water, some activator. You can use contact solution, borax, and detergent, and mixing tool. First, you need to add a little bit of water into your glue and mix it up. Then your shaving foam and mix it up. Use as much as you want. Just note that the more you add, the fluffier it gets, obviously, and the less sticky it will be. So if you're going for a sticky slime, use less shaving foam. At this point, it should look very like marshmallow fluff. Next, add in your foaming hand soap, and you only need just a few pumps. I'm using more because I want it to be more bubbly. And then mix it in. And then your activator. I decided to use detergent. Make sure you add in just a little bit at a time, otherwise it will be very rubbery. If you're going to use borax, use half a teaspoon of borax along with 1 cup of warm water. You can see it starts to come together as you add in your activator. Mixing, you'll notice that it is very clumpy and chunky, but afterwards when you knead it, it's gonna become much better. As you can see, it's starting to form like a clump in the bowl. After a while, you just have to go in with your hands and knead it. It will be quite sticky at the beginning, but don't worry. As you knead it, all the ingredients are going to combine together much better. And you will notice that there is some glue or water left at the bottom. That's fine, you can just pick it up. I decided to take it out of the bowl and knead it on my table. As you can see, it is pretty sticky, so I need some more activator, but I just want to knead it for another minute to see if it's getting better, because it already just got better. Okay, I do think this needs a little bit more activator. So I'm just going to add in a little bit more. And I think it's ready now. As you can see, I didn't use a lot of glue, but it's really big because of the shaving foam. You can add in paint, food coloring, glitter, styrofoam beads, Orbeez, or anything. I love this slime because it's not very like runny like other slimes. It's more of a really like just fluff ball. And it's really fluffy. It's actually like very, very fluffy. And I didn't use much shaving foam, but also the hand soap is foamy, so that helps. If you do want to make it quite runnier, I suggest you use some body lotion and water mixed together. Playing with this is really fun because you can also swirl it and it looks pretty nice. And this consistency could be quite hard to swirl, so I'm gonna add in some body lotion. At first it will be quite hard to knead, and I do have some glue left at the bottom, as you can see, so I'm just picking it up with the slime. And note that it has to be not sticky to your skin, or if you want it to be, it may, but it has to stick to itself. Otherwise, it will never just clump together, and it will never become slime. If you want to make a bigger batch of this slime, I suggest you don't use more shaving foam, you use more glue as well as shaving foam. Or if you want to make a smaller batch, then use less shaving foam and less glue. Since my slime is pretty firm, I added in some body lotion and the camera wasn't recording, so I'm sorry. But I decided to add in some more, so I'm just going to show you right now. Just squeeze in some lotion with water. And then fold, like stretch it and fold it over. And then just poke it, and once you get to those, once it starts popping out, make sure you're really careful so it doesn't go everywhere. And then it should be much softer and stretchier. This could get a little bit tiring until you get it to your right consistency, but it has a beautiful swirl. Like, this is really worth it. I'm going to add in some food coloring, and it's kind of like the lotion. You just have to take a mixing tool, hold on, I'm just going to clean it off. Take some food coloring and put it on. Like that. This is enough for me. I just want it to be like a rose color. Don't worry, this is not going to explode. I suggest you do this before you activate it, so just a step before you put your activator in. And this could dye your hands, so I suggest you use gloves. I don't have any. I'm just using my hands because it's going to wash off. And anyways, it didn't get that messy, surprisingly. I do love the color now. It's really pretty. I actually like the color right now. It's like a marble effect. But that's not going to last forever because if I play with it, it's going to mix. I want some more. I want like a more like dark pink. Actually, I like this one. I'm gonna keep it this way. Make sure you comment down below what slime you want me to make next. please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.